Welcome you to another interesting factorial question. If x factorial over 4 is equal to 5 factorial times 3 factorial over 4 factorial, then we have to find x in this question. Four values are given and we have to find the correct one. So let's see its solution. It is given that x factorial over 4 is equal to 5 factorial times 3 factorial over 4 factorial. We know that this 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and this can be written as 5 times 4 factorial because this is all equal to 4 factorial. So replacing this 5 factorial with 5 times 4 factorial, rest as it is 3 factorial over 4 factorial. This numerator and denominator 4 factorial cancel out. X factorial over 4 is equal to 5 times 3 factorial. In the next step, we will multiply both sides by 4. So this and this cancel out, and x factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. And we can see that this is all equal to 5 factorial. Since x factorial is equal to 5 factorial and we have to find the x, so x is equal to 5. Option B is the correct option. I hope you find this solution easy. If you have any query, write in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.